Hello everyone. In this video we will see trigonometric ratios of allied angles. Okay, so if you want to find out the trigonometric ratios of allied angles, some steps you need to remember. In that first step, that allied angle you have to bring in the standard form, that is n into 90 either plus or minus theta. So bring that allied angle in the standard form, that is n into 90 plus or minus theta. Next, second step, you have to see whether that n is even number or it is odd number. You have to see whether that n is even number or odd number. If n is even number, then trigonometric ratios remains same. Remember, if that n is even number, then all 6 trigonometric ratios remains same. Sine remains sine only, cos remains cos, tan remains tan, cot, sec, and cosec only. If that n is odd number, here trigonometric ratios are going to change. How it is going to change? Sine changes to cos theta, cos theta changes to sin theta, tan theta changes to cot theta changes to tan theta, sec theta changes to cosec, and cosec theta changes to what here? Sec theta. So this is the second point you need to remember. Next, third point, you have to apply this rule. So in this rule, see 0 means 0 degree. So multiple of what? 90 I am going to take it here. So here n into 90 is there, 1 into 90, 2 into, n into 90 it is there. So 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, multiple of 90 I am going to take here. So 0 means 0 degree, 1 into 90 means exactly here 90 degree comes, 2 into 90 means 180, 3 into 90 means 270, 4 into 90 means 360, like that. 5 into 90 exactly here it will come, 6 into 90 exactly here it will come, 7 into 90, 8 into 90, and so on. So here remember, if a plus comes, that value jumps to the next quadrant. Plus means next quadrant, plus means next quadrant, here also next quadrant. Minus means it will go back to the previous quadrant, again previous quadrant, again here also what? Here previous quadrant. So while solving the example, you will understand how this plus jumps to the next quadrant, how this minus comes, that time it will go back to what? Previous quadrant. Okay, next you need to apply ASTC rule. A means all first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Sine and reciprocal of sine, that is cosec, are positive. Tan and reciprocal of tan, cot, are positive. Cos and reciprocal of cos, sec, are positive. In these three, remaining all are negative sign. Okay, so these many things you need to remember. And finally, you need to remember trigonometric table, standard angle table you need to remember to substitute the values. Finally you need to remember this trigonometric ratios of standard angle table you need to remember to substitute the values while solving the examples. Now we will see how to find trigonometric ratios of allied angle values. See, first one, if you want to find out a sine 90 minus theta value, if you want to find out sine 90 minus theta, so this is the allied angle. So first step, what I said, first step you need to bring in which form? N into 90 plus or minus theta. See, here already minus sign is there, just I am going to bring n into 90 minus theta. So for that, first is equals to this sine, I am going to keep it as it is, sine. This 90 can be written as what here? 1 into 90 minus theta. Correct? 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 minus theta. Now it is in the standard form, n into 90 minus theta. So next, what I said in the second step, you have to see whether n is even number or odd number. So you can see here n is which type of number? Odd number. See next, if n is odd number, then trigonometric ratios are going to change like this, correct? So here which trigonometric ratio is given? Sine is given. You know, sine changes to what here? Cos, correct? Sine changes to what here? Cos. Therefore, which is equals to sine is going to change cos, and here whatever the final angle you will get, that angle you keep it as it is, that is theta. That is theta. Next, what to see? You have to see this 1 minus lies in which quadrant. You have to see this step you have to apply next. So 1 minus lies in which quadrant? So here actually this is the step 4 and this one is step 3. Okay. So next, see 1 minus is there, so beside here draw plus sign. So start with 0, correct? Start with what here? 0 0 1. 1 means exactly here it will come, correct? 1 means exactly here, but here 1 minus is there. What I said, if minus comes it goes to the previous quadrant. If plus comes, it will jump to the next quadrant. Okay, so here till here it will come. Okay, till here it will come. Minus means it will go back to which quadrant? Previous quadrant. So previous quadrant means first quadrant, correct? So again, you know, in first quadrant all 6 trigonometric ratios are what here? Positive. What is the given trigonometric ratio? Don't see this cos. Okay, given trigonometric ratio only you need to see. Here sine is given. Sine is positive in the first quadrant. Therefore here which sign will come? Plus sign will come. Therefore remember, sine of 90 minus theta value is cos theta. Sine of 90 minus theta value is how much? Cos theta. So this is the first one. So like that you can find out cos 90 minus, tan 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta. You will get the value. Next, one more example I will take, so you will understand. So next I am going to take tan 90 plus theta. I am going to take tan 90 plus theta. So here first what I said, bring this allied angle in standard form. So first tan, keep it as it is. Tan 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 into 90 plus theta. Next, see n1 is which type of number again? Odd number. 1 is which type of number? Odd number. You know, odd number, tan changes to what here? Cot. Therefore you need to change this. Tan changes to what here? Cot. Again, whatever the final angle you will get, no, that angle you need to keep it as it is, that is theta. So next, 1 plus here. So in the previous example 1 minus was there, here 1 plus is there. What I said, beside draw 1 plus sign, start with 0 0 1. Here it will come exactly 1. Plus means it will jump to what? Next quadrant, correct? See here. So plus comes means next quadrant, minus comes means previous quadrant. So plus is there, so jump to which quadrant here? Second quadrant, correct? So next, you know, in second quadrant only sine and reciprocal of sine, that is cosec, are positive. Remaining all are what here? Negative sign. Tan means here remaining value. Therefore tan is which sign in the second quadrant? Minus sign. Therefore remember, tan of 90 plus theta, answer is what? Minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. So next, again one more example. Third one I will take sec 180 plus theta value. Sec 180 plus theta. Okay, so first, which is equals to sec keep it as it is, sec 180. You bring in the standard form n into 90. How to write 180? In a multiple of 90. 2 into what here? 90. 2 into 90 is how much? 180 plus theta. Keep it as it is. Okay. So next, see, you can see 2 here. N means which number? 2. 2 means which type of number? Even number. So if n is even number, here which trigonometric ratio is there? Sec is there. So sec remains what here? Sec only. Therefore, this sec, you keep it as it is, sec. And the last, whatever the angle will be there, that angle you keep it as it is, that is theta. Next here, 2 plus is there, correct? So beside here, draw one plus, start with 0 degree. 0, 1, 2, correct? Till here 2 comes. Next plus is there. Plus means it will go to the next quadrant. Suppose 2 minus is there, it will go back to the previous quadrant. Here 2 plus is there, so means a third quadrant. Again, according to this rule, according to ASTC rule, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining 4 are negative sign. Remaining, which means sec comes. Sec is which sign here? Negative sign. So mention that negative sign. Therefore sec 180 plus theta, answer is what? Minus sec theta. Minus sec theta. Okay. So here one more example I will take. Next you will understand. So instead of sec theta, I am going to take cot 180 minus theta I will take. Okay. Cot 180 minus theta. So first step, bring in the standard form. So cot into 180 can be written as what? 2 into 90. Again minus theta, keep it as it is, minus theta. Again 2 is which type of number? Even number. So you know, in even number, if n is even number, cot remains what here? Cot. Okay. Therefore cot I am going to keep it as it is, cot. Again this angle theta I am going to keep it as it is. Next, see here 2 minus. 2 minus. So again what I said, draw one plus sign, start with 0. 0, 1, 2 means till here it will come 2. Next minus means it will go back to which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay, it will go back to which quadrant here? Second quadrant. So here 2 plus was there, so it will jump to the next quadrant. Here 2 minus is there, so it will go back to what here? Previous quadrant. Previous means which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. You know, in second quadrant only sine and reciprocal of sine, that is cosec, both are positive. Remaining all 4 are what? Negative sign. So here remaining means cot comes. So cot is minus in the second quadrant. Therefore cot 180 minus theta, answer is what? Minus cot theta. Getting? So next, one more example. Fifth one. Suppose if I take cosec 270 minus theta. Cosec 270 minus theta. So first step, bring in the standard form. Cosec I am going to keep it as it is. 270, how to write in multiple of 90? 3 into 90, correct? So 3 into 90 is how much? 270. Here minus theta is there, so keep that minus theta as it is. So next, you know 3 means which type of number? Odd number. In odd number cosec changes to what here? Sec. So next, cosec changes to what here? Sec, and this theta I am going to keep it as it is. Fine. So next, after that, draw here one plus sign. Next 3 minus, you have to see in which quadrant it is going to lie. So 3 is there, start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 means 3 it will come. So till here it will come. Then 3 minus means it will go back to the previous quadrant. Plus means next quadrant, minus means previous. So minus is there. So previous quadrant means which quadrant here? Third quadrant. You know, in third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive, remaining 4 are negative sign. So here sec, cosec is there. Don't see the sec, okay? Given a trigonometric function ratio, you need to see. Cosec is negative in the third quadrant. Therefore, cosec of 270 minus theta, answer is what? Minus sec theta. Correct? Next, one more. Sixth, one more example I will take, you will understand. So next I am going to take cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta. So which is equals to, again cos you keep it as it is, 360 write in the multiple of what? 90. How to write 360? 4 into 90. Okay, 4 into 90 is how much? 360. Minus theta is given, minus theta, keep it as it is, minus theta. Next, which is equals to 4 is which type of number? Even number. So for even number, cos remains what here? Cos. So this cos I am going to keep it as it is. This theta also I am going to mention as it is. Okay. So next you can see here 4 minus is there. So draw here 1 plus. So start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will come. Means one complete circle. Then here what is there? Minus. Minus means it will come back to which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. Here 4 plus if it is there, till here it will come. Again it will go back, go to next quadrant, means first quadrant it will go. But here 4 minus is given. Therefore, which quadrant it will come? Fourth quadrant. Again you can see in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, remaining all are what? Negative sign. But here cos only is given. Therefore, cos is positive in which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. Therefore, cos of 360 minus theta, answer is how much? Cos theta. Okay, so like this, easily using these steps. This is the step number 1. Bring in the standard form n into 90 plus or minus theta. Step number 2, check whether n is even number or odd number. This is the third step. Okay, this is the third step. Draw the plus sign, then see n plus or n minus lies in which quadrant. In that plus if it comes, it will jump to the next quadrant. Minus comes means it will go back to previous quadrant. So later on you have to remember this ASTC rule. All are positive, sine and cosec are positive, tan and cot are positive, cos and sec are positive, and in these 3 remaining all 4 are what? Negative sign. So like this, easily you can find all trigonometric ratios of allied angle values. Thank you.